If you're about to buy a Roomba, wait, because the wrong one can feel genius for 3 days and annoying for 3 years. And yeah, some of these are way better on paper than they are on your floor. So I went through the iRobot lineup with one goal in mind: find out which Roomba actually makes life easier, not just which one has the flashiest box and the biggest promises. I am counting down top 6, and here's the open loop. The model most people assume should win doesn't actually take the top spot on this list. 6. iRobot Roomba Combo 10 Max. Let's start with the Combo 10 Max, which honestly is one of those products that makes you say, okay, this should be amazing. It vacuums, it mops, it self-empties, and the auto-wash dock can wash and dry the mop pad for you, which sounds like the full dream setup. iRobot also gives it smart scrub, stronger room recognition, and obstacle detection, so on paper, this thing comes in swinging. And to be fair, when it's doing the simple stuff, it feels premium. The mapping is quick, it can label rooms with improved accuracy, and the whole routine feels more hands-off than older Roombas. I especially like the idea that it can wash the mop pad after certain rooms, because dragging bathroom grime into the kitchen is not exactly a luxury feature. But here's what matters. Once you get past the feature list, the actual value gets a little shaky. Independent reviews have pointed out that while the dock is convenient, the vacuuming and scrubbing performance can lag behind other high-end robot cleaners, which is kind of a problem when you're paying flagship money. That's the part that stings, because this is supposed to be iRobot's big flex. I also think this is one of those robots that feels better for people who really want every automation box checked than for people who just want the strongest clean. Well, that's a big distinction. If your floors mostly need maintenance cleaning and you love the idea of a machine that handles the mop pad itself, it has appeal. 5. iRobot Roomba J9 Plus Self-Emptying Robot Vacuum. It skips mopping drama and focuses on vacuuming, self-emptying, fast mapping, and smarter room control. It also builds maps much faster than older Roombas and uses a clean base dock that can hold debris for around 60 days, which is a real quality of life upgrade. In day-to-day use, this one feels confident. It's built for people who want strong automation without turning the whole cleaning routine into a science project. The app-based control is solid, the room targeting is useful, and the self-empty base means you don't have to think about the dustbin every other run. Now, the reason it sits at number 5 instead of higher is simple. It's good, but it's priced like it should be amazing. Reviews describe it basically as an improved J7 with a bit more suction and a bigger battery, which is nice, but not always enough to justify the jump, depending on what deals are out there. I mean, better is good, but better for a lot more money is a tougher sell. There's also the usual Roomba trade-off here. You're paying for the software, the cleaning logic, the dock, and the brand trust as much as the raw hardware. That can be worth it, especially if you want a polished app experience and dependable self-emptying, but it doesn't always translate into the best bang for your buck. So yeah, I like the J9 Plus. It's smart, capable, and easy to live with. I just don't love it enough at its tier to push it further up this ranking. 4. iRobot Roomba J7 Plus Self-Emptying Robot Vacuum. The J7 Plus is where this list starts getting really compelling. This model became a favorite for a reason. It balances smart navigation, strong everyday cleaning, and one feature that people with pets will instantly care about, which is obstacle avoidance that's actually useful. When I look at a robot vacuum, one of the biggest questions is whether it saves time or just creates a different kind of work. The J7 Plus feels like it understands that assignment. It can map your home quickly, store multiple maps, let you set keep-out zones, and target specific rooms without wandering around like it forgot why it exists. What really helps this model age well is that it avoids a lot of the classic robot vacuum frustration. Reviews have praised its precision vision-style obstacle avoidance and overall refinement, and that matters more than flashy specs because it means fewer rescue missions under chairs, near cords, or around pet messes. It's not perfect, of course. Some testing notes mention below-average suction compared with certain competitors and some hair wrap issues, so it's not some unstoppable dirt monster.
but the overall package is so well judged that the weaknesses feel manageable instead of annoying. And that's why number 4 makes sense. The J7 Plus is not the newest toy in the iRobot world, but it still feels like one of the most balanced Roombas for people who want something smart, dependable, and pleasantly low drama.
3. iRobot Roomba Combo Robot Vacuum and Mop. Y0110. This one is kind of a sleeper. It doesn't come in with premium swagger, but for a lot of homes, it nails the basics really well. It can vacuum and mop, runs up to around 120 minutes, and keeps a simple, compact profile that fits under furniture more easily than bulkier models. What I like here is the honesty of the product. It's not pretending to be some luxury cleaning butler. It's a practical 2-in-1 that gives you app control, scheduled cleaning, and a straightforward mopping setup without making you pay for a giant dock or a pile of extra hardware. For smaller homes, apartments, or anyone stepping into robot vacuums for the first time, this one makes sense fast. It handles regular maintenance cleaning, deals with everyday dust, and adds light mopping in one pass. That's a very useful combo when your goal is keeping floors consistently decent instead of chasing showroom perfection. Now, yes, it gives up some high-end convenience. There's no self-empty dock, and some spec listings note more basic navigation and fewer advanced obstacle features than pricier models, so you do feel the budget side of it. But unlike some cheap robots, this one still feels intentional rather than stripped down. That's why I put it at number 3. It's not the fanciest Roomba here, but it offers a clean, practical value story, and sometimes that's exactly what wins. 2. iRobot Roomba 105 Vac Robot Vacuum. The Roomba 105 Vac takes number 2, and honestly, this one surprised me. iRobot gave it clear view LiDAR mapping, neat row cleaning, room targeting, spot cleaning, and up to 120 minutes of runtime, which makes it feel a lot more modern than older entry-level Roombas. That LiDAR piece is the big deal. It maps quickly, works in neat lines, and makes the robot feel more deliberate and efficient instead of random. Reviews of the 105 have called out its navigation as one of its strongest traits, especially for a more affordable model, and that shows up in how much less time it wastes bouncing around. I also like that this model keeps the pitch simple. Vacuum only, do it well, and stay easy to control. You get app support, room-specific cleaning, voice assistant compatibility, recharge and resume, and strong advertised suction compared with the old 600 series. That's a smart combination for people who don't care about mopping and just want clean floors with less hassle. And yeah, the 105 isn't perfect. Some review coverage suggests that its overall navigation score is good but not flawless, and budget models always have a few rough edges. But the value here feels strong because iRobot finally brings modern mapping to a more accessible tier. So number 2 goes to the Roomba 105 Vac because it gets the fundamentals very right. It feels focused, efficient, and much closer to what most people actually need than what they think they need. iRobot Roomba i4 Plus Evo Self-Emptying Robot Vacuum. This is the one that hits the sweetest spot between performance, convenience, and long-term livability. It has the clean base for automatic dirt disposal up to 60 days, smart mapping, dual rubber brushes, and the kind of setup that just works for a lot of homes. What I keep coming back to with the i4 Plus Evo is that it avoids being overly ambitious. It's not trying to be a vacuum, mop, washing station, and floor care philosopher all at once. It's a self-emptying robot vacuum that focuses on keeping floors clean with less maintenance, and that clarity is a strength. Performance-wise, it's also a strong everyday machine. Review coverage says it does an impressive job on hard floors, handles medium and bulky debris well, and automatically adjusts based on floor type. It can struggle a bit with finer debris in corners, sure, but the overall cleaning package is still very convincing. Then there's the real-life factor. The self-empty base matters. The smart maps matter. The fact that it can clean specific rooms when you want matters. This is the kind of robot that slides into your routine and stays useful, which in my opinion is exactly what a Best Buy pick should do. Bottom line, the i4 Plus Evo earns number 1 because it gives you the Roomba experience people actually want. Smart enough, strong enough, and convenient enough to feel like money well spent. Not the flashiest pick maybe, but easily the one I trust most as the all-around winner for this list. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.